The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid is an SUV that combines luxury, performance and efficiency in one extraordinary solution. Powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six hybrid engine combined with an electric motor, it produces 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. With a 31.2 kWh battery pack, the GLE 53 Hybrid can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds, delivering an adrenaline-filled driving experience. The new plug-in hybrid technology outperforms the previous version, with more responsive acceleration and optimal efficiency. A revised front fascia promotes better air circulation, while the interior is carefully designed to display hybrid-specific information. Enhanced dampers and stabilizers, along with the AMG Ride Control air suspension, deliver superior handling and responsiveness through every turn. Additionally, the GLE 53 Hybrid is equipped with AMG's signature audible warning system for greater safety at low speeds. With a new driving mode that allows full electric power, it provides maximum flexibility and efficiency according to the driver's needs. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 is the pinnacle of luxury, performance and efficiency in one SUV.